Hello everyone. Again this lecture is continuation of table control. In the previous lecture we have designed the table control. Now we will bind the data with the table control. So I am moving on to transaction code SC80. I am going for screen 200 in which I have designed the table control. I am going for layout. Now I will change the particular titles. Suppose OBJNR stands for object number. I am going for change mode. Suppose OBJNR stands for object number. PRCTR stands for profit center. PRART stands for project type. STUFE suppose hierarchy. So I have given the title to the particular columns. Now I will activate this. I am activating this. Now I will write the logic. Now if I am running this transaction code, whenever I am entering the project number, header details are displaying here. So I will write the logic on this button that whenever I click on this button, header details will display here, and when I click on this screen 200, then after that item details will be displayed there. So I will write the logic for that. So I am going for this program Z module pool project. I am going for screen 200. In the screen 200 I have designed the table control. I am going for screen 100. Now whenever I click on display header details button, at that time PAI of that screen is called. So I will write the logic there. So I will write the logic here. Now I am going for the change mode. Now what I will do, firstly I will write the logic for taking the data from PROJ table. Then I will write the logic for taking the data from PRPS table. Now instead of select single, now I will take the data into the internal table. So I will write select PSPNR. Our second column is post 1 from the PROJ table. Third one is OBJNR, ERNAM, ER. Into suppose name of the internal table is LTPROJ, from PROJ table where PSPNR is equal to PROJ PSPNR. I am just writing the query in a different way because after that I have to fetch the data from PRPS table. Now I am declaring one type of PROJ table. First is PSPNR. Second is post 1. Third is OBJNR. Fourth one ERNAM. Last is ER tag. End of. Now I will write internal table data lt underscore proj type table of lty underscore proj. Now I will write data ls underscore proj type lty underscore proj. Now I have taken the data into the internal table lt proj. Now I will read this internal table at index 1 because from the proj table we are getting only single row at a time. So I am reading at index 1 proj post 1 is now coming from ls proj post 1. Now we have objnr. The process which we have done with the help of select single, now we are doing with the help of internal table. Then we have num. Then we have take. I will check for the syntax. tag. Into table. Now I will write the logic for fetching data from PRPS table. So I will write the logic select. From the PRPS table we are taking 4 fields: objnr, prctr, stufe. If I am checking which 4 fields we are taking, prart. Into table lt underscore prps from prps where for all entries in, because proj is our primary key table, prps is our foreign key table. For all entries in lt underscore proj, and in the previous session we have discussed the PSPNR of proj table is equal to PSPHI of PRPS table. PSPHI of PRPS table is equal to PSPNR of proj table. Now I am checking for the syntax. Now I am activating it. Now we have written the logic for binding the data with the table control. First the data will come from the proj table. Then we are selecting the data from PRPS table based upon the data present in the primary key table. Now I am activating the whole module 2. Now I am putting the breakpoint here. I am running the transaction code. I am passing the details. Display header details. When I click on this, at that time the SciUCom is equal to display. Now if I click on this, now the proj table get filled. Now we have this post 1, objnr, num, date. I am executing this. Now when I click on this navigation to screen 200, at that time also PI of that event that screen is called. Now in this case our SciUCom is navigation. SciUCom is navigation. Now in this case this part will call. Now from the PRPS table, I am getting 3 rows: OBJNR, PICTR, PRART, STUF. Now I am executing this. Now this is the data which is displaying with the help of table control. We are the scrolling option here. So this is all about the table control. Whenever you want to display the multiple data, create the table control and display data into the table control. Thank you.